Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Today we're going to show you how to navigate one of the busiest subway systems in the world, the New York City Subway. Whether you're a first-time visitor or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. Let's get started. The New York City Subway can seem overwhelming at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's one of the fastest and most efficient ways to get around the city. So let's dive in and make your subway journey a breeze. With 472 stations and 27 different lines, the New York City Subway is a vast network that connects all 5 boroughs. We'll break down everything you need to know, from buying your MetroCard to finding the right train. Let's go. First things first, let's talk about the basics of the subway map and how to read it. Understanding the map is crucial to getting around efficiently. Next, let's talk about buying your MetroCard or using OMNY. These are the 2 ways you can pay for your subway rides. You can purchase a MetroCard at vending machines located in every subway station. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to select your card type and the amount you want to add. MetroCards can be used for both subway and bus rides. The newer OMNY system allows you to use your contactless credit card, smartphone, or wearable device to pay for your ride. Just tap on the OMNY reader at the turnstile and you're good to go. Once you have your MetroCard or OMNY ready, it's time to enter the subway system. Pay attention to the signs indicating uptown and downtown directions. Uptown trains go north while downtown trains go south. Additionally, some lines offer express and local services. Express trains skip certain stops, while local trains stop at every station. Make sure to check whether your train is local or express to avoid missing your stop. Now, let's find out how to determine which platform you need to be on. Subway stations often have multiple levels and platforms. Look for signs indicating the train line and direction. For example, if you're taking the 2 train uptown, follow the signs that say 2 uptown. If you're ever unsure, don't hesitate to ask a subway employee or fellow commuter for help. Now that you're on the right platform, let's talk about boarding the train and some subway etiquette to keep in mind. When the train arrives, wait for passengers to exit before boarding. Once on the train, move to the center of the car to make space for others. If you're sitting, offer your seat to elderly, disabled, or pregnant passengers, and always keep your belongings close to avoid obstructing others. Following these simple etiquette rules makes the ride more pleasant for everyone. Now let's talk about using the subway system during peak hours and off-peak hours. The subway can be extremely crowded during rush hours, typically from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. on weekdays. If possible, plan your trips during off-peak hours to avoid the crowds. Trains run less frequently late at night, so check the schedule and plan accordingly. Being aware of the time can help you have a more comfortable and efficient journey. Now let's quickly cover safety tips and what to do if you encounter any issues. Safety is paramount when using the subway. Always be aware of your surroundings and keep your belongings secure. If you feel unsafe or see suspicious activity, use the help points located on platforms to contact authorities. In case of emergencies, follow the instructions of subway personnel. Remember, safety first. Now, let's recap the key points to ensure you're fully prepared for your subway journey. To sum it up, understanding the subway map, buying a MetroCard or using OMNY, and following signs and etiquette will make your ride smooth and stress-free. The New York Subway is a fast and efficient way to explore this amazing city. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Have any subway stories or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels.